gram stain. We will now use the slide that we used during smear prep, which has now been heat fixed and allowed to dry. First, we will start out with Crystal Violet. Take Crystal Violet, add a few drops to it to making sure that you cover the area, and then we will allow this Crystal Violet to now sit for 1 minute. I'm not going to actually let it sit for 1 minute though in order to move the process along. You will then obtain your DI water, which is on the side of the sink here. Holding your slide on the frosted end, you will gently wash off the Crystal Violet on both sides of your slide to prepare it for the next step. Once you have washed that off, you will next go to Gram Iodine, adding that to your slide. Also for 1 minute. Once your minute is up, you will then do the same thing that you did with the Crystal Violet. You will clear the front side with DI water. You will then clear the back side with DI water. And you will move on to the decolorizer. The decolorizer is the most important step. You are to add between 5 and 10 drops of decolorizer very slowly. If you go too quickly, it will wash off your gram stain. So you just want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops, and then rinse off immediately, not allowing to sit on there because it will decolorize your slide and you will not get the proper reaction. And rinse your back. Your last step will be Gram Safranin. You will also add that onto your slide. You will allow that to sit for another minute. And when you are done, same process. Rinse front, rinse back. You have a package of bibulous paper in your top left-hand drawer where all of your supplies are. You will then take your slide and place it between a sheet of bibulous paper that has not been used, and this will remove any excess water. You gently blot it, not any pressure to snap the slide in half, but to just gently blot it. Move it over one, gently blot a little bit more, and now your slide is dry and ready to be used on your microscope.